Ons groot dag is uiteindelik hier. Die dag wat jou van kleins af beplan. Ek onthou vandag hoe erg ek op my senuwees was daai dag, toe ek voor Caramello's gesit het in die kar. Min het ek geweet dat ek my beste besluit ooit sou neem. Ek is so dankbaar vir die besluit om daai DM te stuur. Ek kan nie wag tot nou nie. Ek kan nie wag om jou in jou wit rok te sien nie. My hart klop die laaste paar dae sommer aansienlik vinniger, soos ons nog nader aan hierdie dag gekom het. Ek weet wel, hy gaan 'n beat skiep wanneer ek jou nou sien. Maar vir eers moet ek dit net imagine en ook die vows verder skryf. Ek kan net nog, maar dan gaan nou baie lelik huil.
And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I go when I need to shout. There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise. I will love you, and I will have your back, as you always have mine. The world's pitch black, you and I will stay entwined. And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I go when I need to shout. There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You'll see me crash.
Mooi man.
You'll be seeing me rise.
3.
You've seen me crash and burn overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise.
Hey, there we go, you guys.
I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give
In 2 voice notes vang hulle my hele preek op. Maar Iris is heeltemal reg. As ons die Here se liefde regtig eerste in ons lewe sit, dan ontdek ons die karakter wat hy ons eintlik voorgemaak het om te wees. En as ons daai karakter ontdek, dan gee ons heel beste vir ons ander maat. Ons leer daai opofferende liefde by ons Here, want dit is wat hy is en dit is wie hy is. Hy is 'n Here wat opofferende liefde vir ons almal gee.
That's the thing about you. The best thing I did.
Magda en Tinus, die Here sal julle seën, oor julle wag hou en julle beskerm. Hy sal vir julle goed wees en vir julle sorg. Die Here sal julle met deernis raak sien, julle ontmoet waar julle is en vir julle goed wees. Vir julle guns gee en genadig wees in elke liewe seisoen. Die Here sal oor julle kyk met aanvaarding, julle gebede beantwoord, saam met julle leef, saam met julle droom en saam met julle die land bewoon. Geniet lewe uit sy oorvloed. Prys hom elke dag. Leef by mekaar elke dag en ervaar hoe die Here julle lewe gebruik om 'n getuienis van sy liefde hier op aarde te wees.
'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you made sure I'm all you.
In die teenwoordigheid van God en almal hier teenwoordig, verklaar ek dat Tinus en Magda nou wettig getroud is. Nou toe, gaan sien Jakoen.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you?
Kijk kleinses, ons sê net vir jou baie geluk, ons weet hierdie is die dag waar ons albei gedroom het wat ons klein is en ons hoop regtig dat alles waarvoor jy en Tinus oor vandag gedroom het net nog beter en nog meer spesiaal sal wees as wat jy gedink het. Mag hierdie regtig 'n goddelike dag wees en mag God regtig net super betrokke wees vandag en ons baie lief vir julle. Geluk.
Try to open up your mind sometimes. You'll be just fine.
As hy jou Tinus, ons kom al 'n paar jare, is 'n groot dag, is 'n groot stap in 'n mens se lewe. Julle is die regte twee van mekaar, geniet dit, koester elke oomblik en geniet dit en leef voluit my maat, geniet dit.
For a minute, don't get over your head, you're like everyone else. You could be from me another nicer.
Ja, nog 'n bietjie, nog 'n bietjie.
You'll be just Try to open up your mind sometimes. You'll be just fine.
Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. Think I was broken, I needed some time to clear my head. 'Cause I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone, Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken, I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way back to you.
Verwelkom die egpaar Koen.
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights. And you filled the darkness with shining lights. Yeah.
Laat ons liefde altyd geanker bly in U waarheid. U moet asseblief altyd die fondasie van ons verhouding bly. Dankie dat ons mekaar nooit as vanselfsprekend sal neem nie, maar elke dag sal kies om weer lief te hê. Here, wees die fondasie van ons huwelik, die lig in ons huis, die vrede in ons harte. Mag ons saam groei, saam lag, saam bid en natuurlik kinders kry. En saam oud word in U teenwoordigheid. Dankie Here vir hierdie kosbare geskenk van liefde. Ek gee my man, ons huwelik en toekoms in U hande.
It's who you were meant to be. Baby, we're children of summer, we're